Beautiful one. Leftover stir fry rice. Alright? A lot of chefs, when they cook, them throw away the food. It doesn't nice to throw away the food, alright? So I'm gonna show you how you can make yourself a nice lovely salad. Look at this. That's the rice. And I'm gonna show you how you can add bits and pieces to the rice. And then the rice will just come in. Lovely color and taste and flavor. So simple. We got some sweet jam lettuce. It's good to balance any kind of salad, any kind of rice or anything you're making at home with salad. So as I can see, that's the sweet jam lettuce. So I'm just gonna just simple working this into the rice. Any kind of salad you're making at home is good for you to use like ingredients like this. Cucumber, and also we're gonna put some fresh tomato inside of it to bring in a lovely flavor. So that's gonna just put one tomato inside of it. And one tomato definitely will work the way you want it to work. Ready one then. So we're just gonna mixing this into it. I'm using a medium size red one. Lovely. Look at that. That is beautiful. Pepper. And some chili. I'm just gonna mix it in. Now, this can be served. And not only that, if you got a little bit of soy sauce or something, you know what I mean, they can always put a little bit of soy sauce. Definitely bringing the flavor. Alright, let's share it out and see how this look on the plate. How it look and how it's gonna come out lovely and tasteable. Nice. Now we're going to put in some, just gonna share it up now. The stir fry rice, I got a lot of video on the YouTube channel how to make stir fry rice. Can put a link in the description box. Beautiful, look at that. Amazing. Look at that. That is fabulous. Nice. There's just some prep line on it. Bring around it. That does come out really handy and nice. Chili. It's good to have chili on your food. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe and leave a comment in the description box. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming like this. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.